today's recipe is Paneer Pulao. In a hot pan add ghee 1 tablespoon, mustard oil 2 tablespoons, paneer cubes 200 grams. Saute occasionally. Cook for few minutes in medium flame. Transfer it into a plate. Keep aside. In the same karai add medium-sized onion 1 piece. Saute and cook till it becomes golden brown. Transfer it into a plate. Keep aside. In the same karai add carrot 100 grams roughly chopped. Saute and cook for few minutes. Add peas 100 grams. Saute and cook for few minutes. Salt 1 tablespoon or as per taste. Saute and cook for few minutes. Transfer it into a plate. Keep aside. In a deep round container or handi add ghee 1 tablespoon. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Bay leaf 1 piece, nutmeg 1 piece, cinnamon 1 to 2 sticks, black cardamom 1 piece, clove 5 to 6 pieces, green cardamom 4 pieces, black pepper 8 to 10 pieces, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix them well, saute and cook for few seconds. Add soaked basmati rice 500 grams. Mix them well. Saute and cook for few minutes. Fill it up with enough water. Let it start boiling. Saute them well. Salt 3 tablespoons or as preferred. Saute them well. Drop the fried peas and carrots. Saute them well. Sugar 2 tablespoons or as preferred. Saute them well. Drop the fried paneer cubes. Saute them well. Simmer for 10 minutes. Fluff the rice gently. Spread handful of fried onion. Spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Spread few drops of gulab jal or rose water. Turn off the flame. Rest for 15 minutes. Serve hot with raita of your choice. Thanks for watching Cook with Mahasina.